Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make restaurant enchiladas. To begin, you will need a few key components: fresh corn tortillas, a delicious filling, and a selection of melting cheeses. For the filling, consider shredded chicken, well-seasoned ground beef, or even a simple crumbled queso fresco. A blend of Monterey Jack, cheddar, and asadero cheeses provides the perfect gooey texture and rich flavor. Most importantly, a homemade red enchilada sauce is essential for that authentic restaurant taste. Next, let's craft the heart of your enchiladas, the sauce. Begin by creating a roux with 3 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Whisk in 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Slowly add 1/8 ounce can of tomato sauce and 1 1/2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Simmer this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it reaches a lovely, thickened consistency. For an even deeper, more authentic flavor, you could use rehydrated dried chilies. Now, let's prepare your tortillas and assemble the enchiladas. To prevent cracking, soften your corn tortillas by quickly frying them in a little oil for a few seconds per side, or by warming them in a damp towel in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Dip each softened tortilla into your warm enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, fill each tortilla with your prepared filling and a generous handful of shredded cheese. Roll each tortilla tightly and place it seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious creations. Pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas in the baking dish. Then, sprinkle a generous amount of your melting cheese, blend over the top for that irresistible gooey finish. Bake the enchiladas in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, and some sliced jalapeno for a truly restaurant-style presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.